Alright, so today we are going to show you how this ring light looks in the camera, so that's lovely. Alright, so I'm going to install the rock form perch mount onto my 2012 Sportster. I'm going to do it on the left hand side. That's where my battery tender is. I got one of those adapters to kind of run power, I guess. So, and I always had kept my phone, the other mount, over here. So I'll get that and show you why I'm not going to use that anymore. So, putting on the left hand side because I've got some of these USB charger adapters to run a USB cable, and then the other pieces on this side of the bike. So I figured it'd just be easier. I had this, and it went like here, and it stuck up. Horrible. I just thought it was ugly. So I'm going to install this perch mount from Rockform, and yeah, that's it. I have one on my Indian that I like, so that's why I bought it for this. Anyway, let's do this thing. So these are T27 torque bits. You don't reuse these, you use the mounting hardware that came with the rock form. These have holdbacks in it, so you have to hopefully try not to lose them. I'm putting everything back because you want to keep these. You want to keep these bolts just in case you want to go back. Of course, you can go probably spend $50 and get them back from the Harley dealership if you want, but I don't want. Yeah, I'm just putting those little plastic holdbacks on there so I don't lose them. And then the rock form comes with all the tools that you need. It was in a pretty nice box. And now I'm zoomed in a bunch. So it comes in a nice box. It slides out. We'll be using the finer thread attachments. This is the tool that goes with that. And this is the actual mount itself. Yeah. Which is magnetic, as you can see. So, anyway, let's put it together. I think my Indian took the fine threads too, so I don't know what would take those other bolts. The instructions are crap for these. I did learn. I learned me some. Unloosen that, and then I haven't learned to not drop bolts or nuts or pieces parts, but you put the bolt in and you put your rubber grommet in. Try not to drop this like I did. You put your rubber grommet in next. Then the spacers, flared part towards the mount. At this point, you just tighten everything down. I don't know if this part should go up or down, this part here. See what it looks like with my phone on before we go crazy. Look at it. not going to work because it's cover my buttons. So maybe I'll turn it around. Oops. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. The install is easy. I'm just taking my time, to be honest. And drop the spacer again. The more you drop the spacer, the easier it is to install. See if you drop it like 3 or 4 times. I don't know where I lost the sound at, but anyway, I'm flipping it over because the phone was the way it was going to have to be. It was going to block my buttons, so I didn't want that. So I'm trying it the other way. Hey, I don't know. Maybe like that. No, just got to find the best way to mount it. That may be okay there. Let's see. Yeah, well, that may work. I may try to stand the bike up. I just don't want it in the way of the mirror, obviously, or my buttons. So, and I don't know if I like that. I don't know. You just have to figure out what's best for you. I just don't know if I like it sideways or not. I don't know if I like it like that. Kind of set the bike up, adjust it from there. All right, well. So I don't need that in front of the buttons. I don't know if I like it sideways. Or do I like it up? It's almost like it was with this thing. Yeah. Probably 3 inches lower. So I'll rock with it like that maybe. And then see. It's not too bad. Yeah, that's the way I'm going to rock it, I think. Because I can see it pretty well. It's up. It's out of the way. I wish the magnet piece, wish I could turn it and get it over here. But the way the arm's built, you can't do that. It's either sideways or up. Unless anybody else knows how this would work, then post a comment below. But right now, it's pretty easy to set up, though. To install, you just have to figure out how you want it mounted. So, hope this helps anybody that was looking for a video on this. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'd appreciate it, and we will talk at you next time.